Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Face ID on iPad 2025 doesn't recognize your face properly. In such case, we just have to set up a new Face ID for this tablet, but do it better this time. So let's go to settings. In settings, scroll down to Face ID and passcode. Provide your passcode into this field, and if you have a previously set up Face ID here, first reset it by clicking Reset Face ID, and then let's set up a new one. But before you start, grab a microfiber cloth as a best option. If you don't have a microfiber piece of cloth, then use a dry towel, even a paper towel, but I'd recommend a regular one. And carefully wipe the surface of your frontal camera to make sure that you can clearly see your face in it. And for the same reason, make sure that you adjusted the lights in your room properly, so that the light is facing you and not the camera. And after that, tap Setup Face ID and tap Get Started. Then center your face in this circle and start moving your head around like this. Tap Continue and do this thing once again. Once Face ID is set up, also check if your device has any available updates on it. To do that, go to General section. On the sidebar, go to Software Update. Make sure that your device is connected to the internet. And if you have any updates for your device, then surely select Update Now and let your device download and install an update to keep the software in touch with their hardware. However, if you don't have any updates prepared for you, you still have to restart your tablet by holding down the power button and the volume down key at the same time for a while, and slide this button to power off. Let your tablet restart, and once your tablet restarts, we'll have to check how the Face ID works. So right now let's wait for the update to complete. Okay, and once your tablet is restarted, first unlock it using a passcode. And now let's try to use our newly set up Face ID. So just look at the screen or the camera, and as you can see, the first attempt was successful. The second one went pretty smoothly, just like the third one. So as you can see, everything works much better right now. I hope it does for you too, and if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.